Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I need you to grab your packet entitled FA Kinetics Rates of Reaction number 1. You should have 4 pieces of paper stapled together, 1 for each color of dust tag, purple, blue, yellow, green. And now I would like you to turn to question 1. I'm going to do question 1 with you. You're going to do question 1 on your paper and then complete your question 2 on your own. So this says write the reaction rate. We have a balanced chemical equation. So remember what we're going to do is we're going to write as rate equals. And then we're going to take our first reactant and we're going to put negative. This is a triangle. Change in concentration of C3H8. So that's concentration with the square brackets over 1 times the change in time. It's going to be negative because it's a reactant. We know that reactants are going to decrease over time as a reaction takes place and products are going to increase. So we're going to have negative triangle concentration of C3H8 over 1. This 1 comes from the fact that there's a 1 in the coefficient. The mole coefficient is 1 times change in time. And then we're going to hit equals. We're going to look at the next reactant. Negative. Why is it negative? Because it's a reactant. The change in concentration of oxygen over 5. This 5 comes from this. Change in time. So if you notice, we're always going to have change in concentration over change in time. We're either going to have negatives if they're reactants, and then the coefficient, the mole coefficient in front, will be what goes to what is multiplied by the change in time. Then we get to the product side here. So we have 3 CO2. So we're going to do the change in, that's a triangle, change in concentration over 3 times the change in time. It's not negative because the products are increasing, so it really is positive. Change in concentration over time, this 3 comes from the mole coefficient there. And then equals to the change in concentration of H2O over 4 times the change in time. Okay, so again, this is positive because it's a product. Please go ahead and stop this video and begin working on your problem 2.